Hello everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Kembali lagi dengan saya Mbah Ronggo di channel Efek Film. Di video kali ini saya akan melanjutkan merekap alur cerita film Lost episode-episode di season yang kelima. Yang belum subscribe, segera subscribe agar tak ketinggalan dari video-video yang akan kami bawakan. Yang belum nonton di season yang keempat, silahkan cek dan klik link playlist di kolom deskripsi.
Shirley, Kate, dan Sayid tak ada di kursinya.
Alur cerita film Lost season 5 episode 9 part 2 dimulai.
You're alive. Dude, I can't believe it!
Saeed was on the plane too, Lapidus, and Son.
Jin, hold up. Where you go at? They'll come looking for us. But that's all right. As soon as they figure out we're not where we're supposed to be.
Why are you following me?
It's time. Crew's coming in off the sub, pulling in the port right about now.
You want us to say we came in on the sub? How's that gonna work?
Nice suit, Doc.
Saeed?
Jin,
Where's Son?
I don't.
get down.
Say another word and you're dead.
Di awal film kita diperlihatkan kelompok si Sawir yang membawa kelompok si Jack, Harley, dan si Kate menuju barak The Dharma. Ya, di sini si Harley bertanya-tanya kepada si Sawir bahwasanya mereka sekarang menjadi anggota The Dharma, tapi di sini Harley beranggapan Sawir akan memperingatkan para anggota The Dharma karena seperti yang mereka tahu bahwasanya orang The Dharma mati semua berada di lubang.
Stop it from happening?
Besides, Faraday's got some interesting theory.
Did you say Faraday? He's here?
Theories on what we can and can't do here. Not anymore.
Nah, di sini saya juga berpikir, di mana sebenarnya si Faraday ini? Kok tidak pernah kelihatan, ya kan? Oke, lanjut. Sesampainya mereka di barak The Dharma. Di sini yang belum jelas saya jelaskan dikit. Mereka di sini itu menyamar sebagai perekrutan orang yang datang dari kapal selam. Ya, mungkin ya dari kota sana lah, ya kan. Di sini Sawir menyampaikan mereka harus berpura-pura gila dan tidak mengenal satu sama lain biar tidak ketahuan.
So when you get in there, just watch the little meet and greet video. Juliet's got it worked out so your name's gonna be on the list, all right? Put these on, listen up. Just smile, step up, take your jumpsuits and work assignments. Wait for them to call your name.
Work assignments.
Yeah, don't worry, I got it covered.
What if they start asking us questions we can't answer, like,
All right, just remember to act a little doped up, because you just woke up from
who's president in 1977?
Besides, I'm gonna be in there to get your backs, all right? It's not a damn game show, Hugo. Let's move.
LaFleur, where have you been? I've been trying to reach you on the walkie.
You're a new inductees.
What the hell are they doing here?
I'll explain everything later. Stop staring. Tell me what your damn problem is.
Kasihan si Miles. Di sini Miles datang itu menyampaikan bahwasanya si Jin mengontak si Sawir tak ada jawaban. Setelah dikontak, di sini Jin menjelaskan bahwasanya dia menemukan si Sayid.
He was wandering in the jungle. Radzinski's taking care of him.
What's he doing in our territory? It's a violation of the truce.
It's Saeed.
What? Was anyone else with him?
No, he was alone.
Bitch.
Scene beralih ke 30 tahun ke depan. Terlihat si Sun yang sedang mengejar si Ben untuk melaksanakan perjalanan menuju ke pulau utama. Di sini Sun menghentikan si Ben untuk meminta penjelasan sedikit tentang tentang perjalanan yang akan membawa mereka ke pulau utama.
So you can come along and help me row.
The main island. Why are you leaving?
Why are you staying? Frankly, it makes no difference to me.
Is that where Jin is?
But that's where I'd start looking. Honestly, I don't know.
Son!
Over here!
You all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Hello, Frank.
What are you doing out here? I got worried when I couldn't find you. I saw him leaving.
I'm going back to the main island with him. Ben knows where there's a boat.
You don't think you can really trust this guy, do you?
I have to trust him.
You ready?
Yes.
Son. Son, that boat I came here on, I want you to think about this, okay? This guy is dangerous, son. It was filled with commandos whose only mission was to get him.
And how'd that work out for everyone?
Don't do it.
Why don't you come with us?
I can't. I got a group of people I gotta look after.
That's right, Frank.
Ya, di sini si Frank mencegah si Sun agar tidak mengikuti si Ben lagi. Ya, karena tekad bulat si Sun ialah untuk menemukan suaminya. Jadi Sun Ai tetap ikut dengan si Ben. Dan tiba-tiba
Thought you trusted this guy.
I lied.
Scene beralih di 30 tahun yang lalu. Terlihat di stasiun The Dharma. Di sini mereka sudah berada di dalam ruangan dan disuruh untuk menonton video. Ya, sambil menunggu mereka dipanggil oleh petugas The Dharma untuk dibagikan tugas apa yang cocok untuk mereka.
Shepard. Jack Shepard. Hey, Jack. Have a seat. 4 citizens here. How could they be any more disorganized on the other side?
What's that?
Your file. How was your ride-in?
It was fine.
Alrighty. Namaste. I'm Pierre Chang. Welcome to the Dharma Initiative. The shuttle from the sub. Who was your driver?
I'm sorry?
Good. Who was your shuttle driver?
Oh, that was LaFleur.
Yes, good man, LaFleur. Runs a very tight operation. I'm sorry for the disorganization. I get pulled out of my lab. The woman who was supposed to be processing you in had a baby last night. Here it is. Your job assignment. The shed. You've been assigned to the...
Workman. What does that mean?
Based on your aptitude test, you'll be doing janitorial work.
Hey there, ma'am.
Hi.
They haven't called you yet? What's your name?
No, not yet. Kate? Austin?
Austin. Austin. Huh. You're not on my list. Who's your recruiter? And you're not on the sub manifest either.
Hold on, Phil. I just got the new list, including Miss Austin. From Amy, some last-minute addition.
Alrighty then. She's all yours.
I'm sorry for the mix-up. I'm Juliet. Kate. Hi, Kate. Welcome to the island.
Hampir saja kamu Kate. Di sini mereka berkenalan kembali ya. Jangan heran, seperti yang saya sampaikan tadi bahwa mereka di sini tidak harus saling mengenal. Ya, berlanjut ke Sawir yang mendatangi si Jin tentang informasi yang didapat bahwa si Jin menangkap si Sayid. Di sini si Jin menyampaikan tidak bisa berkomunikasi dengan si Sayid, perihal temannya selalu menungguin dan tidak memberi kesempatan untuk si Jin berdua dengan si Sayid.
Where is he? Locked in the storage room. He saw the model of the Swan.
Give me the key.
You need to know, LaFleur. And he could have seen the survey of where we're building. This whole thing is an act.
Your point is?
He's a spy. We can end this right now. And we either play into it or we don't.
What the hell are you talking about, Radzinski?
We shoot him.
Well, I appreciate your input there, Quick Draw. Oh, but I want to talk to him first. Give me the damn keys. I want you to listen real carefully to what I got to say. My name's LaFleur. I'm head of security. You'll be fine. Understand? If you do that, let's start simple. Identify yourself as a hostile. You gotta identify yourself as a hostile. The terms of the truce say, well, we got the right to shoot you.
But yes, I am one of them. We do not refer to ourselves as hostile.
All right, good. Then we can proceed like a couple of gentlemen. Let's go. Taking him back to the barracks.
I'm going to talk directly to Horace about it. Look, you're taking him in, then I'm coming with you. This is a horrible mistake.
Fine. Talk away.
Scene beralih ke 30 tahun ke depan. Terlihat di sini si Sun Ai dan si Frank yang telah sampai di pulau utama menggunakan perahu dan meninggalkan si Ben. Kasihan si Ben ya kan.
Tell me you saw that.
Probably just an animal.
Animal, right.
I'm sorry to say so, but maybe we ought to just head back. I don't think we're gonna find your husband here.
Ya, di sini dugaan si Frank ini ya agak benarnya sih, karena di sini terlihat baraknya ini kosong gitu loh, kayak samburadul. Tiba-tiba ada sebuah rumah yang menyalakan lampu, dan saat dia membuka pintu, dan ternyata dia ialah si Christian. Masih dengar dengan Christian siapa? Yang dibilang si Jacob gitu loh, waktu di episode yang dulu-dulu sebelum mereka keluar dari Pulau Misterius, yang kalau belum tahu bapaknya si Jack. Ya, ini bapaknya si Jack dan bapaknya si Charlie. Di sini Sun E menanyakan si Jin kepada si Christian.
I'm looking for my husband. His name is Jin Kwon.
Follow me.
'72, '76, '78.
What is this place?
Ah, here we go, '77.
Where is my husband?
He's with your friends.
What are you talking about? What friends?
I'm sorry, but you have a bit of a journey ahead of you.
Oke, di sini saya jelasin sedikit ya, mungkin rekan-rekan ada yang belum paham. Kok bisa sudah ditemukan foto si Hurley dan kawan-kawan? Jadi, saat kilasan di pesawat, mereka ini terpisah di ruang dan waktu. Dan tahun yang sebenarnya itu yang ditempati oleh Season A, dan 30 tahun yang lalu itu ialah kelompok Hurley dan kawan-kawan. Nah, disinilah 30 tahun lalu mereka pengambilan foto saat penerimaan anggota The Dharma. Yang belum paham bisa komen-komen di bawah lah, biar rame kan komenannya kan. Tiba-tiba di sini anggota The Dharma menerima kontak dari si Jin bahwasanya mereka akan membawa seseorang tahanan.
Okay, if I could get everyone to hold back, please. We have a minor security situation. Move.
I guess we found Saeed.
All right, you can hang out here until we can figure out what the hell to do.
What are we gonna do with him?
Bring the man some damn food. We're not savages.
Berlanjut masih di 30 tahun yang lalu ya. Terlihat di sini si Jack yang sedang bertanya di mana rumah si Sawir. Namun di sini anggota tersebut menegur si Jack agar tidak memanggil si James atau Sawir. Ya, di sini itu si Sawir ini namanya berubah ya jadi Mr. Louvre. Lanjut ke si Jack yang mencoba ketuk pintu rumah si Sawir dan ternyata yang membukakan pintu ialah si Juliet. Jadi si Jack ini kaget ya, kan diketuk rumah si Sawir, tapi yang keluar si Juliet.
I saw you were helping Kate earlier today. Kate, I wanted to say something to you then.
We're not supposed to know each other.
Yeah. I was looking for Sawyer. I guess I came to the wrong house.
No. Come in.
Evening, Doc.
I'm sure you two have a lot to talk about.
Take a load off. You want a beer? No. No, I'm fine. What can I do for you, Jack? I don't even know where to start. How about with Saeed? He was running around in the jungle, got caught by my people. I had no choice. I had to improvise. Improvise? See, that's how he can't tell the truth about how he got here. For now, Saeed is safe, which is all that matters. So where do we go from here? I'm working on it. Really? Because it looked to me like you were reading a book. I heard once Winston Churchill read a book every night, even during the Blitz. He said it made him think better. I think. It's how I like to run things. Because back when you were called in the shots, you pretty much just reacted. I'm sure that doesn't mean that much to you. See, you didn't think, Jack. And as I recall, a lot of people ended up dead. I got us off the island. But here you are, right back where you started. So I'm gonna go back to reading my book, and I'm gonna think. And that's how I'm gonna save Saeed's tomorrow. 'Cause that's how I saved your ass today. All you gotta do is go home and get a good night's rest. You do what I do. Ain't that a relief?
Yeah.
Masih berlanjut di Barak Dharma. Terlihat ada seseorang yang masuk berkunjung ke dalam penjara. Oh, ternyata masih bocah. Terlihat Sayid yang masih di dalam sel. Di sini seorang bocah itu datang berkunjung membawa makanan untuk si Sayid. Entah perintah dari siapa, di sini dia berkunjung dan membawakan Sayid makanan.
I brought you a sandwich. I didn't put mustard on it. But if you'd like some, I could get some.
This will be fine, thank you.
Are you a hostile?
Do you think I am?
What's your name?
Saeed. What's yours?
I'm Ben.
It's nice to meet you, Ben.